Okay, I filed a fee waiver for a court appearance and jury trial. So to find out if your fee waiver was granted at Bridgeview Courthouse, check your email or e-filing application and review the case. I did not get an email or attend a scheduled fee waiver hearing. If approved, you will receive an order and application for a waiver of court fees. Check e-filings if you filed online. Attend a hearing. In Cook County, you are generally required to attend a hearing on your fee waiver within 14 days of filing. If you do not appear, your request may be dismissed. Search online, Cook County Clerk's case search tool to look up your case number and see if your order has been entered. Call the clerk, which I did. If granted, you now have to pay or only pay a reduced amount depending if it was full or partial waiver. Where is it? So it doesn't say if my waiver was granted. I went on the 24th. So I'm going to go to the courthouse to find out what's going on. How come I didn't get an email? I didn't get anything in the mail. The lawyer that's suing me, when I forwarded the paperwork, he called me to let me know he got it. And he told me it's going to cost money. I said I filed a fee waiver. He laughed, said the judge isn't going to grant it. And I did mention I filed for a jury trial and filed a fee waiver on that. And he said that that the judge wasn't going to grant it. And he'll see to that. But, it used to be easier. The last time I went to eviction court before I moved here, all you did was go to court, ask for a fee waiver for your court appearance. And on the court appearance, it says if you want a jury or a bench trial. I put jury. And I gave him the court appearance, signed the part where the fee waiver was for a jury trial. And I went to court. And when I went to court, the judge was mad because it wasn't settled. I was getting evicted because I was trying to move. It was to prevent me from moving so I could finish up some home repairs. I didn't want to do it, wouldn't do it, wasn't getting paid for it. So anyways, because this person put an eviction notice on me, I couldn't move, and I was in the process of moving. Here I am at, appointment for an apartment. They said, you're being evicted. And I had to explain to them by who and for what. But that didn't matter. I couldn't find a place. And when I got here, they wanted a 4-month security deposit because of that eviction. Even though the judge told the lawyer at court, remove the eviction so he could move. But he didn't. When I went back to court, they called that lawyer happened to get the judge to call the case early. And in calling the case early, by the time I walked in, the judge said he didn't want to hear it. So this is not the proper venue. But according to the rules of professional conduct, that was fraud and candor towards the tribunal. It would be diligent to communicate this. It would be competent. Diligent, it would be competent. So anyways, I'm going to have to get a hold of the DOJ because these people are working really hard. The last time I was there, I told people were telling me, what, you got a jury trial? Because when Clerk Norton told the judge it was a jury trial, because he sent us to an arbitrator, me and the arbitrator didn't get along, nor did the lawyer. And the judge says, oh, you want to take this to trial? And got all mouthy about it, which is violation of the Code of Judicial Conduct. And I only give 21 days and see. But, it came down to where when they said it was a jury trial. The lawyer jumped on the phone, told his client, and they withdrew. And but still, I had to pay for another place. I still got the paperwork. Wanted 1 year security deposit because of an eviction notice. All right, people, I'm going to try to get through. So I'm going to go down to the courthouse, find out what's going on, and how come I didn't get the notice of appearance. Thank you. Good night.